Hello everyone, and welcome to my GENERALACOSPITL Muse YouTube channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before we begin, please hit the subscribers button and give this video a thumbs up. For the week of May 20, 2024, General Hospital spoilers indicate a new preview video has been published. It depicts Alexis Davis attending her court date. She is even forced to confront her accuser by Alexis. Additionally, Sonny attempts to defuse the situation with Christina Corinthos Davis. Hamilton Finn too keeps his gaze fixed on a just poured drink. Can Finn resist temptation while he's by himself? Alexis Davis's courtroom argument. Teasers for the week of May 20 indicate that Alexis appears at the start of the preview video. Alexis is currently attempting to get her disbarment revoked. While initially doubtful, Alexis became extremely displeased with the invader, particularly after Nina Corinthos trotted in and made a variety of editorial alterations. Diane Miller will be assisting Alexis going forward. Diane and Alexis are going to Albany this week. Alexis will eventually get her day in court there. In the sneak peek, Alexis asserts her right to confront her accuser before the judge. Spoilers. The meltdown of Christina Corinthos Davis. General Hospital teasers for the week of May 20 suggest Christina will still be in shock after what she saw. Christina has been vehemently defending her father for months. Christina then entered Jason Morgan's room where he was holding a crazy Sonny. Christina was horrified to see her father then rant about shooting both Jason and Dex Heller in the brains. Damage control by Sonny Corinthos. Spoilers for General Hospital reveal that Alison Blaze Rogers Ramirez consoles Christina following the Sonny incident. Additionally, Blaze tries to get Christina to visit the hospital. Christina is by herself in the restroom for women in the promo clip. Christina is attempting to gather herself and consider what she just seen. Next, Sonny makes a cautious approach towards Christina. Sonny says he knows why. Weekly spoilers on General Hospital for May 20, 2024. Finn appears in the promo clip as well. Supporters recall that despite recent alcohol temptations, Finn continued attending meetings and receiving assistance from others. Alexis is included in this, but as Finn pours himself another long drink of hard liquor while Alexis is in Albany, he finds himself tempted once more. Was Finn's inadvertent taste of champagne during Harrison Chase and Brooke Lynn Quartermain's wedding the cause of this? Will Finn be able to avoid giving in to temptation when everyone is preoccupied with their own lives? What plot point do you most anticipate seeing during the week of May 20, 2024? The end of Harrison Chase and Brooke Lynn Quartermain's wedding will set off a medical crisis that leaves one male Port Charles resident struggling for his life, according to General Hospital spoilers for the week of May 20 to 24. Gregory Chase, of course, is well aware that his ALS diagnosis means he is heading toward an eventual conclusion. Gregory may be forced to deal with this medical issue by the GIA writers in an attempt to hasten his terrible destiny. This is especially important now because Gregory has awarded Alexis Davis his debate medal for 7th grade. Given that it was Gregory's fortunate charm, it appears noteworthy that he gave it up and might now experience some bad luck. The prospect of losing his father earlier than expected could leave Chase reeling. Rather than beginning a delightful honeymoon phase with Brooke Lynn, Chase would end up crying in the hospital arms of his new bride. Hamilton, if Gregory is the medical crisis victim who requires immediate attention, Finn will also experience hardship. The physicians will try their hardest, but in due course, Chase and Finn might have to start organizing a funeral. General Hospital spoilers reveal that someone will die, leaving PC in sadness, whether it's Gregory or someone else. Jason Morgan will likely feel some guilt for endangering the lives of another uninvolved wedding guest if he is unintentionally targeted, and this results in their deaths. In other news, Diane Miller will support Alexis in Albany as she fights to get her disbarment overturned. That will result in Alexis talking to Fergus Byrne, another brother of Neil Byrne. Originally, Fergus was going to be on the panel to determine Alexis's legal future, but he withdrew and allowed his partner to take his place. Diane intends to take advantage of that dubious action in her attempt to have Alexis's legal license restored. When everything is said and done, Alexis might receive good news and give Gregory's number a call to tell him his lucky medal worked. At that point, Finn might respond and provide an update on Gregory's potentially catastrophic situation. Nevertheless, keep an eye out for plenty of chaos and destruction following the nuptials. According to our predictions, Hamilton Finn keeps making poor choices. Alexis Davis's court case is dramatic, and Christina Corinthos Davis is conflicted. Poor choices. Finn pushes Elizabeth Baldwin away and keeps making poor choices. Whether Violet Finn is around or not, he is making the decision to keep drinking, and it seems like he is giving Elizabeth a deadline. Elizabeth is told by him that she has two options to choose from. After Harrison Chase called to tell her their father had passed away, Elizabeth had refused to allow Finn to continue drinking with Violet while she was living with him. Finn sounds very aggressive, and he and Elizabeth got into a fight about getting Finn to an AA meeting. Baldwin places a call. Elizabeth looks to be calling someone outside the apartment building right now, and it's clear that she's referring to Finn and Violet. In style, spoilers for General Hospital, take a look at this new image of Maxie Jones. She informs someone that she is not currently needed. Perhaps she is speaking with Chase. At least Finn wasn't intoxicated in front of Violet, which was something Elizabeth was worried would happen. Elizabeth retains rights as Violet's aunt, even if Chase and Violet are now the only family Finn has left. Although the last time Finn's addiction was not alcohol-related, it sounds like they broke up because she was attempting to prevent him from relapsing into addiction. Meanwhile, Alexis is occupied with legal drama in Albany, and she could be the only other person who could talk some sense into Finn. When Fergus Byrne appeared in court, he was battling tooth and nail to regain Alexis's law license and holding her solely responsible for his two brothers' murders. He is specifically accusing her of having a disregard for the law. In actuality, Alexis had nothing to do with Brendan or Neil Byrne's passing. In style, spoilers for General Hospital, Dex Nix's may make up with Jocelyn. Harmony Miller was solely to blame for that. She gestures toward him and says, "Let him prove that by telling me the name of my accuser." A daughter divided. Blaze and Christina discuss the events of the last few days while in Blaze's suite at the Metro Court. It's clear that Christina is conflicted about disclosing the information she now knows about her father after experiencing an unpleasant awakening that revealed Sonny Corinthos' darker side. Christina is the most recent of Sonny's friends and family members to take off her blinders, having seen him through filters along with many others who tuned out that aspect of him. When she tells Blaze that she feels equally responsible as Sonny for her own excuses, she means exactly that. Divine and Dex Heller meet. Dex Heller is currently at the PCPD in Anna Divine's office. He, Jocelyn Jacks, and Michael Corinthos had previously discussed the beating he got from Sonny, which Christina had seen. In style, spoilers for General Hospital, Valentin closes in on Ava, but is she up for co-opting? Dex is probably questioning Anna about the fact that Michael and Jocelyn, as well as Dex, wanted to spare pregnant Christina the stress of having to testify against Sonny. Even though there is a possibility of not filing charges in order to protect the safety of a pregnant woman, he asks her before putting on his badge whether he's tarnishing it. Dex is faced with a moral conundrum, no doubt. Carly Spencer attempts to talk sense into Sonny. Carly Spencer seems to be trying to speak some sense into Sonny as she tries to reason with him once more. Even though Sonny claimed to be taking his medications on a regular basis, Jason Morgan could tell that he was having problems when he wasn't. Even after Dex was beaten, Carly managed to talk Sonny down by getting Ava Jerome to stop her from getting some of the pills. Now that everyone who was once in his close circle is aware that something is wrong with Sonny, Carly asks him what he would do when he runs out of people who betray him. Make sure you read up on all that Guille has been up to lately. For news, updates, and spoilers about General Hospital, check back here frequently. Follow us on Threads, Join the discussion on our Facebook page, glance at our Twitter feed, search for updates on Instagram, follow us on Google News, or send us an email HERE to find out more about what's going on with your favorite soap operas and how to get in touch with us. I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't miss any update.